Looking at the new Gardiner gooseneck valve. It comes as a complete assembly like this, with a push fit connector on the base for your pole hose, short length of tubing on the top to connect your brush. It has a quick release adjustment lever like all of our goosenecks that allows you to quickly change the angle for use. And the gooseneck valve itself actuates by twisting when it's locked into the pole. Twist the water on and off, and the stiffness of that twisting action can be adjusted with this little adjuster. So this is useful for changing brush types or the height working at. Let's see how simple it is to fit. So we have the hose coming up of our pole. Push the hose into the push fit connector. If you're using non-PU hose, you'll need a little red stem to bar adapter at the top, as comes standard with all our other pole hoses. Then slide that into the pole and close the top clamp. Now you need to make sure that that top clamp is adjusted tightly so that it really holds that tight so that the gooseneck turns rather than the whole thing turning in the pole. So that's fitted it to the pole. We now want to fit it to the brush. We have a 35cm brush on the top here, fitted with a rinse bar. Using the quick lock system, we connect the brush and then we connect the jet hose connector to the gooseneck valve length of tubing, and there we've connected it up. So we twist on, we twist off. So let's see how this works when cleaning windows. Put it on the window, turn to the right, the water starts flowing. Clean the window, turn it off, the water stops. Both hands stay on the pole. Low level work, you can also do this with your hands, so you can clean the window, you can turn the water on, and when you finish, you can turn the water off. That's for low level work. So let's see how that looks when cleaning an upstairs window.